My W soundbox. W. The sound the letter W makes is W, W, W. So here's some pictures that start with the letter W. We have watermelon, whale, wand, worm, wagon, and window. Here's some more pictures that start with the letter W. We have whistle, watch, wasp, waffle, there's whale again, wave, wheel, and walnuts, a special kind of nut. Little W had a box. I will find things that begin with my W sound, she said. I will put them into my sound box. Little W went for a walk in the woods. She found woodpeckers and a woodchuck. Did she put them into her box? She did. Little W looked under some wood chips. She found lots of wiggly worms. In you go, she said. Little W walked to a well in the woods. She saw some water in the well. This may be a wishing well, she said. She looked all around the well. Guess what she found? A wand. Little W waved the wand and made a wish. I wish I could find more things for my box, she said. Just then a weasel wiggled into the box, quick as a wink. A big wolf was after him. Little W waved her wand. I wish you would be a good wolf, she said. She put the wolf into her box with the weasel, the woodpecker, the wiggly worms, and the woodchuck. Now the box was full. Little W found a wheelbarrow. Whee! She said. This is just what I need. She wheeled the wheelbarrow. Away they went along a winding road to the water. Let's wade in the water, she said. But the wolf, weasel, woodpecker, wiggly worms, and woodchuck did not want to wade. They watched. Wow, said a walrus. You look wacky to me. You have funny feet. You look wacky to me, said little W. You have funny whiskers. Little W put the walrus into the box. The walrus winked at the wolf. Little W went back to the water. The wind blew the waves up and down. Then she saw a big whale. The whale whistled. I wish I could put the whale in my box, but it is too big, she said. Little W waved her wand and found a big wagon. It was big enough for a whale. She put everything into the wagon and walked by a wall. What was behind the wall? Watermelons. Yippee! Whooped the woodpeckers when they saw the watermelons. Let's have a watermelon party, said Little W. And they did. The end.